afternoon, viewers. You're watching News X and I'm Kriti Mehta. Tensions were reported along the Assam-Meghalaya border after violence during a Khasi Students' Union Black Flag bike rally in Shillong, with several Meghalaya registered vehicles subsequently prevented from entering Assam through the national highway. The development came a day after the KSU rally in Shillong on Wednesday, August 19, witnessed incidents of clashes, alleged assaults and vandalism at multiple locations along its route. Following the violence, several vehicles wearing Meghalaya registration numbers were reportedly stopped on the Assam side of the interstate border, disrupting movement between two neighboring states. The situation has now raised concerns over interstate travel, particularly for motorists and passengers using the national highway connecting Assam and Meghalaya. Let's first take a look at a ground report filed by my colleague Nibir Deka.
We are currently in Jurabat area, which is the border area between Assam and Meghalaya. As you can see behind me is a Assam registered vehicle which has been vandalized yesterday. This vehicle was coming from Meghalaya, and while coming to Assam, this vehicle was vandalized by certain miscreants. As we know that there was a rally, bike rally in Meghalaya, which was held by the KSU for several demands which were being made to the state government. The rally turned violent, which led to a lot of vandalism. This is one of those cars from the Assam side which was vandalized. And the fallout of this vandalism is that now there is a roadblock in the Assam-Meghalaya border. This is the Jurabat area. There is a roadblock given where the people are not allowing cars from Meghalaya registration to enter Assam. They are letting cars from Assam, Nagaland, West Bengal and other registered cars to pass to Guwahati. But they are not allowing, as you can see, they are allowing the Assam registered cars to pass, but they are not allowing the Meghalaya cars. You can see here a Meghalaya car has come, and the Meghalaya car has been asked to go away and return back to Meghalaya. This is a Meghalaya registration car, and the car has been asked to go back to Meghalaya. So this is the current scenario right now in the Meghalaya-Assam border. This is the Jorabat area, very important area because a lot of the trucks which come from the Meghalaya side enter Assam in this particular area, and this is the main entry point to Meghalaya. Lot of the cars go from this side to other parts of the northeast. हमारे साथ एक भैया जुड़े हुए हैं. क्या सिचुएशन है भैया अभी यहाँ पे?
See, I will not say in Hindi.
You can speak in English.
Because Meghalaya people will not be able to understand even I think the...
Yeah, we are a national news channel, you can speak in English.
The thing is that always there is a problem between Meghalaya and... Meghalaya people have problem with Meghalaya government. But their main intention is to damage Assam vehicle. You can see the example, there is one Innova. Even yesterday you can see in news, there are in a lot of channel that even a 4-year child, what was his crime that he was facing such a kind of problem. Today he is in medical. Who will bear his treatment? The thing is that Meghalaya public had problem with the Meghalaya government. You should talk, you should solve it, but you should not damage Assam vehicle. The main target is whenever there is some problem in Meghalaya, they target Assam vehicle. It is not a good sign of a neighboring state damaging a neighboring vehicle. Every time, last time also even the Meghalaya Chief Secretary, OC, most of the officers they came, they gave a written that next time there will be such kind of problem, there will not occur in future.
So you are currently, the public here is not allowing cars from the Meghalaya registration to enter Assam, right?
No, we can't say that we are not allowing. We have allowed some of the emergency medical purpose, airport. We are sending them. We don't have problem with Meghalaya patient. We have a problem with the Meghalaya people, those who have damaged the vehicle. So we are letting them to go to hospital, airport. But
for emergency services you are allowing them. You can see there is a truck coming in from Meghalaya. This truck has Meghalaya registration, as you can see, and the public is not allowing them to enter. That is the situation currently in Assam-Meghalaya border. This is an ML registration truck. The ML registration truck has not been allowed to enter the state of Assam. This is the main point through which the trucks enter Guwahati and through which it goes to different parts of the northeast as well. This is another Meghalaya car which is not allowed inside. As you can see here, the Assam cars are being allowed. the Gujarat registration car has been allowed. All the other cars from the different states have been allowed. So that is the current situation right now as the tensions are simmering in the border areas. This has happened due to the rally which turned violent in Shillong yesterday, which led to vandalism of lot of the cars which had gone there for different purpose. There was also a video which everyone is talking about, wherein a young kid was injured because the glasses of his cars entered his face, and he is currently in medical. That has also triggered the sentiment among the public who are stating that they are not going to allow. This is not for the first time that a standoff like this has happened in the Assam Meghalaya side. There are different instances wherein we have seen similar standoff between the Assam and Meghalaya very recently also in this particular area, and this emerging tension has continued. But yesterday's incident is a bit different because it was a rally which was held in Shillong. The rally turned violent, but what the people here have alleged is that the rally targeted certain vehicles who are from the Assam registered number plates, and that is the reason we see the repercussions here, wherein the Meghalaya trucks have not been allowed to enter. The Meghalaya vehicles have not been allowed to enter. When we spoke with the public, they have stated that only emergency services like medical facilities have been allowed to enter Guwahati. Rest they have not been allowed to enter. So that is the ground situation currently as we bring you the latest from the Assam Meghalaya issue. Another truck not being allowed to enter. Another car you can see here, government car from Meghalaya. This is a government car which has not been allowed to enter. They've been asked to go back, and you can see here they have not been allowed to enter. Another government truck, another truck has been not allowed to enter, another car has not been allowed to enter. So that is the current situation as we bring you the latest from the Assam Meghalaya issue. This is a very crucial issue because this is the entry point to the rest of the northeast where the trucks and the cars go. And Meghalaya being a tourist state, a lot of the cars also come from the Guwahati airport and the railway station. So this blockade is going to be very difficult for both the states, and hopefully the state government of both the states take up this matter and a resolution is being done on the issue. With video journalist Nishan, this is Nibir Deka reporting from Jurabad near the Assam Meghalaya border for NewsX.
All right, viewers, we're getting in some more breaking news updates now. Let's check those.